Welcome back to the... Esta chiclosa quinta blue. Tell them. Welcome back to the channel, guys.
Welcome back to the
Órale. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully y'all like this video. This video was pretty much everywhere. Had a little party. We got the On the Gas Lightning out of here. I got a little couple of clips here and there. Still a pretty cool video. Why you gotta ruin my shot for, bro?
Sorry.
Still a couple of good shots. Still some entertaining content. Hopefully y'all like it. We do want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I might have one more video coming out before Christmas. So don't forget to give it a like. Drop a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification. Hopefully y'all enjoy the video. Y'all stay tuned for the videos coming up. Alright guys, so we got a little update on the truck. The On the Gas guys just came by. We set the truck on the floor with the wheels just to get y'all a little teaser of what it's gonna look like. Obviously by the time y'all see my video, y'all done seen theirs. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit of the insights on how we cut the rear end, what we're gonna do to it, you know, the seals, how we line up the rear end, todo el pedo. So we got them here. My boy Tiny's here, Beto and Fran, they're over here behind the scenes, you know what I'm saying? So what you think, Tiny?
Overall, sick. You got down with the setup. It's gonna look real clean. Make sure you shop on thegas.com. By the time you probably watch this video, we done gave it away, but we got more giveaways coming, sicker giveaways coming. Roman got down on it. Make sure you hit up my boy Roman for all your suspension needs, because he's the man to hustle with.
Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of a little couple of clips here and there. Let me know what y'all think. Early in the morning, back to the shop. We're getting the day started. My boy Jason just got there. He took us some breakfast tacos for some stuff that we did for him yesterday. Huge shout out to Jason Garza, man. I really appreciate it. Cool guy. He was my salesman back when I used to work in Napa back in the days. And here recently, we've been cutting out a lot of parts for him because he's been doing some cool ass barbecue pits. But yeah, like I said, huge shout out to him, man. He hooked all of us up with tacos and whatnot this morning. We're on our way to the shop. Let's see what progress we got on the rear end. I'll show you a little bit when I get there. Stay still, you don't want to go anywhere. Alright guys, so Ulises already cut it. ¿Quién lo hizo el bebo, güey? ¿Tú o Ulises? Ulises también. Damn, Ulises, ¿te avientas el bebo? Pinche pipe fitter, you know? So Ulises already cut 3 inches off of each side.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. He did the bevel on each side. And then he did the bevel on the end caps as well. Eddie is cleaning it all up right now with brake cleaner, making sure there's no gear oil, nothing that's gonna create a bad weld. So right now when he starts welding, I'll start recording that too. But we got the axles coming already. This is guaranteed by 11 a.m. Hopefully that's true and UPS comes through. And we should be ready to go. Looky here. So UPS, a la madre, ¿dónde están? ¿Te mandaron una caja vacía, Eddie? Oh, ahí están. Looky here, man. UPS came through, Moser came through. Next day air, the axles are here. So looks like On the Gas is gonna have it back today. The guys are gonna put it back in there, weld the caps on, get it painted, installed, and we should be ready to go. I'll show you that here in a little bit.
¿Le meto el pin o no?
All right, so one side welded, next side's getting done. Guys, just a quick shout out real quick. It was my birthday the other day. I did post some clips here of my birthday party, and I just wanted to send a huge shout out real quick to a couple of people. The homie for getting me this, he said, man, you need a GoPro in your life, and he hooked it up. So huge shout out to him. And then shout out to my nephew Arby. He gave me a gift card, and I ended up just buying the, what is it called, the media mod for the GoPro. That GoPro media mod, it shows it fits a 9, but it's also the same thing as a 10. That one's pretty cool, man. It has an external mic right here, as y'all can see. Check it out. Let me zoom in, zoom out. I don't know if you can see it, but has a little external mic, and it does come with the cover for the noise reduction. So you just simply slap it on like that. Bam, it's on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up, probably give it a couple of tries today, if not tomorrow. Maybe get some rolling shots of the Lightning for On the Gas and see how you guys like these videos. So let's put it on here, let's mount it up, see what it does. Alright guys, so Eddie and Ulises are moving a little too quick for me. I was in the office taking care of some customers. I came outside and the rear end is already on. Right now, I believe all they're doing is tightening everything up, making sure the brake lines are on there. They're gonna bleed the brakes, put the sway bar back on and hook up the drive shaft, and they should be good to go. Y'all check it out real quick. So as y'all can see, flip kit's back on, shocks are already on. They're about to put the sway bar and drive shaft, make sure all the brake lines are on right. They're gonna bleed the brakes and move forward. ¿Qué está haciendo acá atrás tú, Ulises? El shackle? Yeah, so they're putting the shackle on right now. C-notch we did. Check it out. Nothing left behind. So these guys are good to go, man. That was pretty quick. Para que se la gane, para que se la lleve mamalona. So that was pretty quick, guys. These guys, like I said, they're moving along pretty damn quick. I was in there for not even too long. I took care of 2 customers to set up some future dates for them to drop off their vehicles. Huge shout out to them. But it's in there. So that's a good thing. I already called Tiny. I already told Beto that it'd be done in about an hour or 2. That way they could come get it. I'm gonna see if I could probably just take it outside real quick and get a couple of little rolling shots of it. That way we could keep it for our records and show you guys as the viewers. But this thing is coming out super sick. Too much sauce. Guys, so we just put out the truck and this thing looks amazing. Never were in Moser axles, new wheel bolts, fresh drop kit, fresh sway bar links in the back, notched custom DJM drop kit. Y'all check it out, man. This thing looks sick. Perfect stance, 22s, nothing too big. This thing is clean. No, güey, estoy quebrado. Tampoco, güey, te lo quita toda la vieja, güey. There I have it, guys. Super sick truck. One of you guys is gonna win it. Remember, the warranty goes with the truck. It is transferable, so anybody that wins it, if you have any problems or anything like that, anything that we touched on does have a lifetime warranty on the welds and all the metal work. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna be here because I got a little dance recital for my little girl. It's a Christmas pageant or a Christmas recital or something like that. I forgot what it is. Here shortly, so I don't think I'm gonna be here by the time the guys make it. I already called Beto and Tiny and them. They're on their way over here to come pick it up. So hopefully they like it. And I'm not gonna be here, so that's gonna suck. But it is what it is. There y'all have it, guys. Super sick lightning. Peace.
No, bailaba por arriba, esa es Colombia, con el pomo.
Vaya.
Al ingeniero de iluminación.
Luis, hace para atrás, güey, te vas a cocinar de más.
Ponle a
Puro-
pantalones el güero, güey, tu pedo.
Puro cachete, puro cachete.
El pastel. Préndame la luz, mija. Préndame la luz.
Espérate acá.
Ah, está muy caro el vídeo, no te creas, güey. Está muy caro el vídeo. Págalo, no te creas, págalo, güey.
Vamos a ponérselo a Gio para que Gio me ayude a soplármela. Hoy, no más. Jesse said he's gonna help me blow. Oh man. So how old are you? I want to say thank you because she paid for everything, right? She took out her $27 and said, Pepe, I'm gonna pay for your birthday party.
Fuerte el aplauso, mamá, fuerte el aplauso.
She blew my candle.
Fuerte el aplauso. Vino de... Ah, el soplaste, güey. Espérate, güey. Sí, bueno, pero el pastel también, güey. Así que muchas felicidades, compadre, que la pases toda madre hoy en la noche. No te pongas bien mamado. Así que... In English? Oh, shit.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear boy. Happy birthday to you. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Gracias por todo.
Una, dos. Todo, no, todo, vámonos.
Fondo.
Ah, sí, puto. Conmigo no. Mira, my little cut said, fuck it, I ain't doing shit.
Mira, ¿qué bailaban los hombres? Siguen las mujeres, güey.
You know, one more. Yeah, hold on, one more.
A ver.
Hold on, let me see your shirt.
Solo. Es solo para mujeres. Son
1, 2, 3,
mujeres.
go.
Tornado Mora.
Oh my god.
Ya en el batidor ahora es air fryer. Mueve la air fryer. Mueve su pinche madre. No te muevas, güey, no te tienes que mover, güey. Dale, gas, síle.
That baby fever, cuz.
Por favor, me gustaría tenerte abrazándome.
What's up, Dad?
Porque en mi mundo todo es soledad. Escucha mi mensaje, por favor. Ay, corazón, si te vas, enséñame cómo te olvido.
One, two, three. That's my nigga right here. One, two, three. Let's go. Una, dos, tres. Luis,
Ya la última, hijo.
la última, no hay pedo, dale.
No,
dale.
no, me quieres mandar bien pedo para la casa, pero.
Dice, ¿me quieres mandar bien pedo para la casa? Dale, yo le agarro. They didn't take no shots all day. Ah, no. One, two, three. Nah, mames, güey. Pinche shots, pinche pussy. Eliana takes bigger shots than you. Dale, Eliana, vámonos. One, two, three. Que se te caigan las chichis. Vámonos.
Poquito.
Ok, poquito. One, two. Hold it. One, two, three. Fuck. My turn. Oh, that's good. I thought I was gonna make a bad face. Hold on, it went down my chichis. It went all the way down my chest.
Your girl doing the other one.
Oh, but she got baby fever. Look.
I don't know about that shit.
I'm paying another 30 minutes. Good?
I don't care.
No, my nigga.
No, el tuyo, dale. Ahora sí el camarada. Vámonos. Hoy.
Con los vallenatos. Ya se ve todas tus cartas que mandaste en mi corazón. Y que tú ganes tan falta de mi corazón. Ese fue el día que yo más me enamoré. Pero
Man, I just can't believe that we got a ticket over this speaker because of sound ordinance. Look, it's just us in my backyard, completely secluded, with a wooden fence all the way around, and because of that, we got a ticket. Eliana, ya sube Luis, Eliana. Ya, que lo deje ahí. Ya. No, que lo suba ahí. ¿Quién? ¿Tú?
Este pinche.
¿También?
I got a driver, bitch.
Bitch, güey, ¿estás mamado o no?
Nah, más o menos. Más o menos, güey.
Dice, nah, más o menos.
Sube la verga. Drag the house.
Súbelo, apágalo a la verga.
Let's set up that beast.
A la vez. Miren,
We do this every year. And he still got that fucking money right there.
¿dónde estás grabando, güey?
Fuck cerrando. Oh, nah. I'm sorry, boy. I'm sorry. Go, you better bring some deer for the meeting.
Oh, you know what? Right, yeah. Straight.
Súbele. The setup.biz.
Oye? Alright guys, so as y'all seen, everything was pretty much everywhere, but I try to record as much as possible. At the end of the day of my party, the cops got called. I got a ticket. Once I found out how much it was, I said, man, turn that up. Let's get another ticket. Thank God they didn't come back though, because that would have sucked. I'm broke. I can't be paying those tickets. But hopefully I enjoyed the video, man. Like I said, Merry Christmas to everybody. If I could post another video before then I wish y'all Merry Christmas again. If I don't, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. It's time to spend time with our families and enjoy the holidays. Peace.